Hey guys, I'm just going to quickly show you how I booked my holiday online by using Teletext Holidays and Jet2 Holidays for the very first time. Now Teletext Holidays is also known as Truly Holidays. Their call center is based in India and their phone service was good when I booked my holiday. Price on holiday packages will fluctuate daily, but there is no harm in asking what is their best price they can do for you. So choose your destination where you wish to fly. For example, I've been to Antalya in Turkey. Flew from Birmingham. Select the date and nights and how many people traveling. Click find deals and a full list of holiday resorts are available for you to stay. Adjust whether you want a 5-star hotel, all inclusive, which I went for. If you like what you see, call them up and quote the reference number. Now here in the winter season, holidays are cheap, but outdoor facilities such as aquapark, some swimming pools and activities may be closed because of the weather, but their indoor activities will remain open. The resort we went to is called Sherwood Exclusive Lara, which is on the main stretch Lara Road, closer to the airport and just 30 minutes drive to Antalya city. Our flight was with Jet2, first time flying with these guys and I'm satisfied with their service and flight. Now once everything is booked over the phone with Teletext Holidays, you will receive in your email inbox or junk mail a hotel voucher with your Jet2 reference number, transfer voucher which is your coach transfers, and your ATOL certificate. Now make sure you download these PDF files and store them in your mobile phone and make a hard copy too. Now to check in, head over to Jet2 Holidays. Click on Manage My Bookings, enter your booking reference, surname and date of birth. From here you will check in. It will ask for your passport numbers and other details. Make sure the spelling of the names and date of birth is correct. If not, then call the agency to adjust it before checking in. After this you will be shown where you will be seated. I believe there's an extra charge for the extra legroom seat, but for a standard seat, the legroom on this plane is enough, as I found it more spacious than the Thomas Cook planes. Now once you're successfully checked in, you can either download or print your boarding passes. Also you can share the download link by text to other passengers who are travelling with you. After this you can ring the travel agency again and Jet2 to confirm everything. Make sure also to email or if possible to ring the hotel you're staying to confirm your stay. Take care guys, peace.